Hello out there to you. In this video, we're thinking about should this firm hire more labor or not. So the hiring rule says we should always hire more labor whenever the marginal revenue product of labor is greater than the wage. So that's really what you need to find out. Now, we will always hire up to the point where the marginal revenue product of labor equals the wage. So that's a thing to remember. This is perfectly competitive hiring rule. You might also see it written as marginal factor cost needs to equal marginal revenue product of labor, or you might even see it said as the value of the marginal product of labor. Same thing. In this problem, we say $10 per unit, so that's the wage. So the wage is 10, and we see that the marginal product of labor is 25 sprockets. So I forgot to put that. Marginal product of labor times the price of the product equals the marginal revenue product of labor, so the value of the workers. So that would be 25, and then the price of the product is 4. So the marginal revenue product of the 12th worker is $100. And since that's more than the wage, we want to hire more workers. So we want more labor, and that's it.